Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we're going to be drawing Tom the cat from Tom and Jerry. So we start in the center page with the nose. Let's start at the very top right in the middle. Just going to curve this up and then down towards the right. Now I want to round up the side of the nose and then pull that in towards the center point across the bottom. Let's go back up to the top of the nose. We're going to draw an oval. We want to add that highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Let's place the eyes on top of this fold, leaving a gap in the center. We're starting on the left side, we're going to draw an oval going up and then back down. So go up on the left side, round out the eye, and then pull that back in. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to do the same thing, going up towards the same height, come around, and then in. Let's add that detail in the center. From the middle, curve this up and then down, kind of like a half oval. Go back to the left side, we're going to go up and then down towards the eyes. Now I'm going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw another oval. We're going to go up and just tuck that in towards the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's trace that out along the inside, drawing another oval, going up and then down. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil, and we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now let's go back out to the side and draw the cheeks on top of the face. We're going to step over toward the left, curve this in towards that fold, and then bend that back out. And now we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now just underneath the nose in the center, step down, add a point. Let's curve the mouth on the left, coming down and then up underneath the cheek. Go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. Let's open up the mouth, starting on the left side, come down, round this out, and then go up at an angle. And then along the bottom of the mouth, we're going to add the tongue. So on the left, go up, bend that down to create a fold, step back, curve the right side, and then we want to fill the top of the mouth in black, going around the tongue. Let's trace the mouth along the bottom, starting on the left, curve this down across the lip, and back up. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Let's start on top of the left eye. Just going to follow that curve, going up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting back on the outside, I'm going to go higher in the middle, and then pull that down towards a point on the inside. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's add the top of the head. Starting over on the left side, just above the eyebrow, we're going to curve this up and then in towards the middle. Now I want to create a point. We're just going to add some hair, go across again, and then pull that down. Just going to work our way around the right eyebrow and then down towards the same height. Now we're drawing those two large ears. Let's start back over on the left. Then the ear going up and then out. And then from here, it's going to bend this in. It's going to taper this fold, coming down towards the side of the head. Now it's going to add some fur. It's going to curl this around and then up. Let's bend this in to create a point. Now I'm going to add another point. We're going to bend this down towards the bottom. Now we're just going to curl this around, come out, and then down. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going the opposite direction. And then we're going to add another point, just bending this in. Let's add another point, going out and then down. Now I just want to pull this up, come down, and just bend that in towards the side of the lip. Let's go back underneath the cheeks. We're gonna add a fold. Pull this down and in towards the chin. Now let's go back and draw the outside of the ear. From the top point on the left, bend this down and in, curl this out. I'm just gonna bend this in just underneath this point. Now one last thing we do to the head before we move on to the body is adding those whiskers. Now there's two on either side, so we start from the side of the nose. We're gonna bend this across the face and then out. Let's line this up on the right side. Let's add one more. We're gonna step down, going out and then down. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Underneath the head on the left side, we're gonna start by coming down and out, and then towards the hips, we're gonna bend that back down. Let's line this up on the right. Coming down and out, and then coming down. Now from the hips, move to the center, step down. Now we're gonna add a curve in between the legs, going up and then down. Let's draw the inside leg. On the left side, we're gonna step in, bend this out around the knee, and then curl that in towards the heel. Let's round up the heel, and then curl this up towards the first toe. Let's draw on that first toe. We're gonna draw a C shape on the left, going all the way around and then down, and go in the opposite direction on the right side. Let's draw two more toes on either side. From the left, go all the way around and then in, and then we're gonna do that one more time. Let's move to the top of that center toe. We're gonna curl the foot. We're gonna go up. Now I want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now we're gonna add some fur, going up and out. Bend this in and then down toward the inside of the leg. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And now we're gonna go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From the hip, step up, bend the leg going out towards the knee. Now I'm gonna bend this in on top of the foot. Now before we get into the arms, let's draw that patch in the center of the body. We're gonna start right here in the middle, start with a point. Let's start with the left side. I'm gonna go up, round at the top, and then come down the side. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Go back over towards the left, we're gonna round at the bottom, and then connect this up towards the right side. Now let's draw on the arms. From the top of the body on the left, we're gonna step down, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. I want to line that up on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb, coming in and then back out, and then close off the end with a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and then up, going around that bracket, step down, curve the second finger, coming down and up, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm, and just pull that up underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, the second, and then the third. Let's separate the wrist with some fur. Starting from the top of the thumb, then it's up and then out. Go out and then down. Now I'm going to add a point. Pulling that up. Let's add one more point, coming down and then up toward the outside. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start from the thumb. I'm just going to add 2 more points going towards the outside of the arm. Now the last thing we want to do is layer the tail in behind the body on the right side. So we're going to start from the leg, bend this out towards the hand, continue up and then out toward the point. And I want to taper the tail so it gets wider as I come around the hand and then in towards the leg. Let's separate the tip. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Tom the cat from Tom and Jerry. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.